Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the form and going straight to responses. This gives you the raw summary. Once there, click the Sheets icon to create or open the link spreadsheet. This is where you'll build a custom chart. Make sure to select the exact question columns you need, then choose Insert, Chart. You're doing this because Form's built-in charts are limited. Sheets lets you control chart type, ranges, and data cleaning before you change anything visible on the form. Now focus on shaping the chart. Open the chart editor and pick a type that matches your data, bar, line, pie, or area, because the choice affects readability. Once done, switch to Customize to set series colors, axis titles, value formats, and legend placement. These tweaks make trends obvious. If you need aggregated insights, apply formulas or filter views to group responses before plotting. Make sure to check the data range after filtering, because Sheets won't always update the chart automatically unless you refresh the selection. Finish by embedding or linking the updated chart where viewers will see it. Copy the chart or publish to the web and insert that link into a form description, doc, or slide. Once integrated, refresh the link spreadsheet regularly so new responses reflect in your chart, and make sure the chart's data range still captures added rows. If something goes wrong, check sharing permissions and verify data types. Numbers stored as text break axis scaling. Fix that in Sheets, then reselect the range, and the chart will recover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.